Hello everyone, I am Huma from Raval Convent School, and today we will cover our next topic, that is message writing. So, what is message writing? A message is a piece of information written for someone you are unable to speak with due to some reason. Sometimes the message is conveyed on phone. Okay, somebody calls and you take that message, but that message is intended for your father or your mother. Then later on you convey that message to your father or mother. Okay, so the receiver of the message must pick up the most important piece of information and pass it on to the person for whom it is intended. Remember, extra details should not be added. Two types of messages, that is direct message which involve two person. For example, if I want to send some message for my mother and if I have to go out for some work, I will write that message and leave it for my mother, that whenever my mother comes she will read that message and she will get it okay. So in such direct message only two persons are involved, for example I and my mother. And the second kind of message are indirect message. They involve three persons. For example, suppose your father is not at home and he wants to talk to your mother. Okay, and supposing your mother is also not at home, so she has gone to, let's say, market. So you take this message from your father and you will wait for your mother to return, but before that it's your tuition time, so you have to go for your tuition classes. So what you will do, you write down that message, and then when your mother comes back, she read that message that is given to her by your father. Okay, over here father does not directly give message to your mother. He first gives the message to you and then you give the message to your mother. Such messages are known as indirect messages. Now let's come what is the purpose of writing a message. Okay, so the purpose is to pass some important information, or a time message is written to request someone to do something or give some sort of explanation, and at times to apologize to someone. Now let's move on and find out what is the format of message. Now before moving on to the layout, we must remember that in the message you must mention the date, time, name of the person to whom the message is directed, then body of the message is there, and then name of the writer should be there. Let's have a look at the layout of the format. Okay children, first now this message in a rectangular box. Okay, can see the outline. So whenever you start the message, first of all make three side box which is open from the lower side. Once you finish the message, after that you can close it easily. So first of all the word message is to be written. You can see it in capital letters. In the next line on the left hand side, date is to be written, and in the same line right hand side, time is to be written. And after date, next line come that salutation of dear mother, dear father, brother. This is our salutation. Then the name of the person to whom we are writing this message. Okay, then comes the body or content. The content should be very brief, it should be clear, it must include these three questions answer. The first question is who gave message? Yeah, so the answer of this question must be there in your message. And the second most important question is what is the message and what the receiver has to do after reading this message. So that should be very clear from your message. Now there is a word limit also. The word limit is 50 words. Remember, if you exceed that word limit, you write more than 50 words, then your marks will be deducted. Okay, so remember that in the end, on the left hand side, you write your name and then close the box. Let's look at this question. Your mother is not at home. Her cousin Anita Masi suddenly comes home. You call your mother, but her phone is unreachable. You have to leave for your swimming classes. Leave a message for your mother. Now let's see how to solve it. You first of all make a box. Now write down the word message in capital and bold handwriting. Then the date on the left hand side. After that you will write the time on the same line right hand side. I have written the time when this message was written. Then just under that date I have written the salutation, dear mother, and then the message start. Anita Masi had come home. She wanted to meet you. I called you, but your phone was unreachable. Please call her up as soon as you reach home. I am leaving for my swimming classes. Then write down the name and your message ends here only. I hope you all understand how to write message writing. That's all in this video. Thank you.